Now comes the real withdrawal. So what we've done is we've talked about where you're going to go, that you're going to have food, you're going to have water, you're going to have shelter. So all the basics are taken care of, and you're going to do less. So now we talk about the real withdrawal, the hard part, technology. This is the hardest part because people are going to reach for their phone without thinking. And at that moment, when your hand moves automatically to find your phone, that's the lesson. You don't have to fix it, just notice it. Awareness is the win. You just want to be aware of, oh, I'm unplugged. Why am I reaching for my phone? Just be aware. What moves you without thought already owns you. So if you're moving for your phone without thinking about it, it owns you. You don't own it. So when you start doing this, you're going to notice something. The time feels different. Time doesn't slow down, but the interruptions stop, the minutes widen, your thoughts can finish. And that's how you know contrast weekend took hold.